Hi, my name is Anita Chinyavong. I'm one of the recreation therapists with Fairfax County Senior Centers. Today we'll be doing a class called SAIL, which stands for Stay Active and Independent in Life. I have my exercise partner here, Sarah Sprague. We'll be doing two different adaptations for this class. I'll be doing the standing version and she'll be doing the seated version. If at any time during the class you want to switch off, please feel free to. We also do use a chair, so please have a chair available as we do use that in our class, okay? So let's get started. All right, we're gonna start off with stretching. Okay, so let's just get the legs moving, okay? All right, and then let's just breathe up, breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. One more. Good, let's bring it over. Other side. Good. Let's do the shoulders, roll them back. And just get the feel. Bring the arms up. Good. And bring them forward. Good. If you want to tap, go ahead and tap. Good. Bring them out. Wrist rolls. Good. And other way. Good. Just bring the arms out. Over. Stretch. Good. Bring it down. Other side. Good. All right, just bring it up. Stretch. And forward. And down. Good. We're just gonna warm up the legs a little bit. So let's just get moving a little bit. Okay, bring it out a little bit wider. Okay, we're just gonna go down and roll up. Breathe. Good. And just bring it over. We're just gonna stretch. Good, one more over. All right, we're gonna keep going. Just bring it up a little bit more. Let's march it out. Good. And as we're doing this, feel free to stop at any time. Okay, and let's do side to side. Tap side. Good. And let's just breathe up. One more. And let's cross, cross. Let's bring it up. Good. Take a moment, back to marching. Good. Let's take a deep breath in and out. One more. Let's see if you can get the knees up a little bit more. Good. All right, cross. We're just getting that stretch. Bring it up. Good, let's cross, front. Cross and tap. Good. All right, and let's slowly bring it back to marching. March. Good. Catch your breath. Deep breath in and out. One more and out. Good. All right, we're gonna focus on next one is lifting the knees. We go up. All right. Let's bring it back. Good. And back to marching. Bring it up. And down. One more. Good. And just bring it up a little more. Just getting our blood warmed up. Good. All right, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Good. All right, we're gonna bring it down, side step. A little bit faster. If you can go a little bit wider, go ahead. If not, that's okay. Good. Let's cross. And let's bring it back. There you go. And then let's go back to marching, but I want you to go faster. We're going to roll it. And up. And down. Keep going. Now let's bring it to the side. Good. All right, let's stop in the middle. Reverse. Back to marching. Bring it up. And down. Let's bring it up one more time. And down. And to the side. Over to the other side. Good. All right, let's bring arms down. Just relax, shake it out. Feel the beat. Good. Let's do the legs again. Up, up. Remember, you can always sit down. Good. Let's bring it back down to a kick. Kick. Bring the arms into it too. Good. Bring it up. Good. Let's take 3 deep breaths in and out. Here we go. One more. All right. Let's just get the beat going. Just pretend you're walking. And we're gonna go out to the side. 4 count to the front. Good. 4 count to the side. 2, 3, 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again to the top. Good, to the front. All right, a little bit wider. And front. Good. All right, back to the middle. Just mark it out. Good. All right. Let's bring the arms in, up. Let's go to the side. Good. Let's bring it up again. Good. Into the side. All right, bring it down. Side. 3, 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front. Good. Good, keep going. And front. Again. And front. All right, back to marching. Breathe, catch your breath. Good, deep breath in. And out. One more. All right, remember, keep that back straight. Feel the beat. Okay, we're gonna start with alternating punches, okay? Try to keep that wrist straight. No floppy arms. Good. Bring it up. Good, keep going. Good. Bring it back down to the middle. Good. And if any time you need to take a break, take a break. Let's cross. Good. Try to go slow and steady, keeping that controlled movement. Bring it down. Good. All right. Keep going. We're gonna bring the arms down, bring it up, just like we're doing bicep curls. Good. All right, let's slowly bring it back up, up. Keep going. All right, we're gonna bring the arms out, kind of like overhead presses. Bring it out and over. Good. And then let's bring it in. Good. Let's brunch it to the front. Good job, everyone. Deep breath in and out. One more. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of merengue. So we're just gonna get the beat going. We're gonna step to the front, just like we're marching. Okay. Bring the hips into it. All right, let's bring the arms up. Once you got that, let's bring it to the side. All right, let's alternate. Bring it up to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Keep going. All right, let's bring the arms back down. Get that movement. Good. All right, we're gonna bring it to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just back to the middle. March it out. All right, let's go back to the arms. Bring them up. And to the side. All right, so we're gonna do 4 count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. right, let's bring the arms down and just back to marching. Focus on the march. Breathe. If you want to take a deep breath, let's take a deep breath in and out. Good. All right, everyone, we're gonna go into cool down. We're just gonna cool it down a little bit. So just imagine the drums. All right. So we're kind of do a little bit similar to bachata. Okay. So let's just back to marching first. All right, side, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, back to middle. And just tap it out. Just want to get your cooling down. Good. Bring it up. Good. And bring the arms down. Good. All right, next we're just gonna tap it to the side. Side. Slow. Good. And then front. Good. Breathe. Back down. Just bring the arms into it. Good. Side. Good. And just do side step. You don't need to go wide. Good. And then just bring it to the middle. Tap it out. Good. We'll just take it slow. Bring the arms in. Good. Deep breath in. Let's stretch it out. We're just gonna stretch a little bit and then we'll get into our balance exercises. Okay? Just stretch. Okay, let's bring it over. Other side. Roll it back. Good. All right, let's bring it forward. Okay, let's just do the wrist. We'll just do a quick stretch and then we'll get into our balance exercises. Good, let's focus on the legs. Let's just bring it wide open a little bit. Bring it down and up. Stretching out the back. Good. We'll just bring that front leg forward, going straight, touching the toe. Okay. Other leg. All right. And just shake it out. All right. Make sure to grab some water and we're going to go into our dynamic balances. The first thing we're going to do, since this is a fall prevention program, is walking and working on our balance. So the first thing we're going to do is walking slowly. I want you to take 4 paces and then turn back around. As you can notice, I do have a chair with me. So if you do have a chair, please use that chair if you feel off balance. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just walking 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm turning back around to my chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll do that a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just make sure that you have enough space around you to do these exercises as well, okay? So like I said, I'm just doing regular walking pace, okay? Just as you're walking outside, okay? All right, once you're back to your chair, the second part of it is we're turning our heads. However, we're going to do it as we walk maybe 3 paces. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, looking over to the right, to the left, 1, 2, 3, right, left, okay? Almost as if we're crossing the street. So I'm going to go back to my chair, same thing, 1, 2, 3, looking over and over, 1, 2, 3, over and over, okay? The reason why we do that is because we don't want you to get dizzy when you're doing these exercises. If you're doing 2 things at once, you can get dizzy, okay? Next part of it is walking and stepping over an obstacle. So what I always like to do in our classes is just kind of rub the knees, okay? Rub the joints because sometimes you do get stiff, okay? And then just lifting those knees, okay? Getting that motion, okay? The first part of this one is we're going to be stepping over an obstacle. So imagine maybe you have something at home that you need to cross over. We're going to lift one leg, follow through with the second, okay? So it's going to look like this. We're going to bring it over, making sure you're balanced, and then bringing it over. So I emphasize lifting those legs. Let me show you one more time. So I'm going over and over, okay? Same thing. If you feel off balance, use that chair. Hold on to that chair, lifting those legs and over. Same thing as Sarah's doing. She's doing the adapted version. If you are doing it in a seat, you can also modify these movements. Okay, so let's do that one more time. We're going over and over. Okay? Make sure you try to clear that obstacle. We don't want you to fall. Second part of it is crossing over on the side. So imagine maybe a couple people have a raised tub and you want to get into that tub. So I'm bringing my foot over to the side, making sure I'm balanced, and then following through. Okay, so I'm going out of the tub and into the tub. Okay, perfect example too of using the chair. Okay, hold on to that chair if you need to. Over, 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 over. Okay, so you can always practice this at home. Okay, we're doing over and over. Perfect. All right, the next one we're doing is our heel to toe walk. So just imagine that we are on a tightrope and you're walking that tightrope. So you can just do what we're doing. Heel to toe. Okay, heel to toe. You can have your arms out if you want, or you can have them by the side. But also make sure that your balance, if you're feeling a little off balance, use that chair, okay? If you need to stagger your feet a little bit, it's okay until you start getting your balance back. We kind of work towards it, okay? But ultimately, we want you to be able to walk heel to toe, okay? Heel to toe, okay? And make sure you can practice this a couple of times while you're at home, okay? Next part is turning in a circle. So as I'm standing, I kind of have a little gap in between my feet. When I say soft knees, I want soft bend in your knees, okay? A slight bend. And we're just going to turn one way clockwise, okay? Just once. We don't want you to do multiple times, get dizzy. But I want you to be able to stay in your own circle, your own bubble. So imagine yourself drawing a circle with your toes. And we're slowly turning clockwise. Good. And as you see Sarah, she's slowly turning, imagining herself turning in a circle. Okay? Once you've reached the front, We're gonna do it one more time, counterclockwise, the other way. Good. I like to imagine myself in a crowd, and if I need to get out to the exit, being able to shift where I need to get out, okay? Use that chair too. Remember, that chair is there for support. The next part is our sit to stand. So we're all gonna use our chair and we're gonna sit down, okay? Once you have your chair, making sure that your feet are planted on the floor. Your knees are bent. I'm slightly closer to the front of the chair, but if you need to sit back, that's okay too. And my back is straight. So as we're standing up tall. I want you to elongate the spine standing up. So we're gonna stand up all the way, and you can cross if you want, and we're slowly controlling ourselves coming back down, okay? So we're standing all the way up, and slowly coming back down. And as you can see with Sarah, she's slightly going up, controlling those muscles, okay? So let's do it a couple more times. Okay, we're coming up. The weight is going in the back of my heels, and I'm slowly coming back down. Going up, and slowly controlling it back down. Good. All right, let's take a deep breath in, and out. All right. If you'd like to stand, you can stand. If you still need to use a chair, go ahead and use a chair. We're going to go into shifting our weight. So I'm going to bring a chair over. So next thing we're doing is shifting our weight. So we're going to have our feet kind of close together. If you can get them close enough, great. But if you feel a little off balance, go ahead and have a little gap in between. That's okay too. Just making sure that you feel balanced and just, that you don't fall. So we're going to have the arms to the side. And we're just going to imagine the compass, okay? Front is north, back is south, east and west, whichever way you are, okay? And we're just slowly shifting. We're going to pretend the wind is blowing us. We're going to shift forward, but I want you all to go at an angle, okay? We're not shifting 90 degrees. We're just going at a slight angle. We're engaging that core, okay? Squeezing our core. This is what helps keep us up. So we need to work on it. So first we're going to go north. So we're just going to slowly go north, keeping the feet on the floor, and then slowly coming back to the center. This time we're going to go south. We're going to go back. Remember, I'm just going at an angle. I'm squeezing and I'm holding myself up, and then I'm coming back to the center. All right, now let's go east. Over. And back to the center, and over to the west. You should be feeling a slight stretch, and back to the center. Very good. This time we're going to go northeast. So I'm bringing that shoulder over just a little bit. Okay, we're slowly going northeast, holding it, and back to the center. Let's go northwest. Over, and back to the center. Let's go southeast. Bringing it back, holding it, and back to the center. And then we're going to go southwest. Perfect, and back to the center. So as you see, I just went at a slight angle. We're not going any further, okay? So make sure you're checking yourself, keeping your feet planted on the floor. All right, the next thing we're going to go is twisting side to side. So with the same position that we're in, we're slowly just twisting over to one side. So we're slowly turning, seeing if you can look behind you, and slowly bringing it back to the center. Now we're going to go the opposite way. Over, and slowly bringing it back. We're going to do it one more time. This time I want to see if you can go a little bit more. So we're slowly bringing it over. Hold, deep breath in, exhale out, back to the center. Over to the other side. Deep breath in. Exhale out as you come to the center. Good. All right. Now we're going to have our arms out. We're bringing the arms out, and we're slowly turning. It's okay if you can't look behind you. Just feel that stretch. Go as much as you can, but don't hurt yourself, and slowly come back to the center. All right, let's go to the other side. Hold it and back to the center. Very good. Bring it down, shake it out. All right, the next one is our heel to toe stand. This one's a little bit harder sometimes for some folks, but I have my chair here. Please use your chair. So we're gonna have the right foot forward, left foot back. Okay, it's gonna be in that straight line like we did before. Okay, if you can't get it in a straight line, like I said before, you can also stagger your feet. That's also a modification until you get more comfortable getting into that line. Okay, making sure you're keeping that back straight. If you want, you can have the arms out, okay? Or you can have them to the side. But we're gonna count, a 10 count, and we're gonna hold it. If you need to use that chair, use that chair, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax, shake it out. All right, let's switch up the legs. Left foot forward, right foot back, okay? Making sure you feel balanced before you start, okay? Hold on to that chair until you feel balanced. And then I'm gonna bring my arms to the side, actually. We're gonna do the side, and we're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax, shake it out. All right. Next thing we're gonna do is reaching forward. So we're gonna go back to that same position as shifting our weight. And we're just gonna reach forward, not too far, just enough to get that stretch in your back, okay? So we're reaching forward, holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to the center. Let's do that one more time, okay? Let's reach forward, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to the middle. All right, shake it out. This time, we're gonna have our arms out to the side, okay? Making sure you feel balanced. I'm gonna keep my hands and my arms as a T, okay? I don't wanna see people going like planes. I wanna keep that parallel to the floor. As we're gonna go over, hold it, and then back to the center. And then over to the other side, hold it. Try to keep it parallel and back to the center. This time I'm gonna do 5 count, so we'll do it again. So let's bring it over to this side. Over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center, and then over to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to the center. Good, shake it out. All right. Last one is single leg stance before we get into our strength training. So I'm gonna use my chair in case I need it, but we're just gonna stand on one foot. So what it's gonna look like, I'm gonna do show you the side view, is we're just bringing the leg back, we're holding it, okay? If it's too hard to hold it up, bring it down a little bit, that's okay, or you can rest it. If you're sitting, Sarah's gonna show you the adaptive version. She's bringing that leg up and holding it up. Okay, we'll do a 10 count. Remember, use your chair if you need to. We'll bring it back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, shake it out. All right, let's do the other leg. Same thing, bring it back. Feel in balance, make sure you feel balanced before, and then just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, and then just shake it out. All right, let's take a quick break, grab some water, and then we're gonna grab our weights. All right, now we're gonna get into our strength training. So the first thing we're gonna do is our upper body. So if you do have dumbbells at home, please use them. These are 2 pounds, but you can use whatever weight that you feel comfortable with. If you don't have dumbbells, you can also use different things such as cans if you have at home, or water bottles, something that you can have a grip and easily to hold as you're doing these movements, okay? So The first thing we're doing is bicep curls, but I want you guys to always do the correct form. So as you can tell, I kind of have a slight gap in between my legs. My hips are parallel to my legs, which means it's not wider or closer, okay? It's gonna give you that stability, okay? And also, you wanna have a slight bend in the knees. So side view, slight bend, okay? I don't want you to lock your knees. I want you to have a slight bend. Okay? After that, check your back. Please make sure you keep that back straight. Try not to go forward. If you do, reposition yourself, okay? I want you guys to do it correctly so you guys don't hurt yourself while doing it at home. So the first one we're doing is bicep curls. I have my weights in my hands. My arms are gonna be by my side, okay? And I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna flex it up and down. But as you can tell, I'm not lifting my arms or my knee or my elbows up higher. So I'm going up and down, just like that, that motion. Up and down, okay? So let's do maybe about 6, okay? And if you are at home, you can do a little bit more if you want. But we're gonna go up, so we're bringing it up and down. 1, up and down. 2, breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale as you come up and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, one more, up and down. 6, good. Shake it out. And like I said, if you're at home, you can do it more, but I just want you to do it correctly. The next one we're doing is our tricep extensions. So usually we do it 2 different ways, but I'm just going to show you the way that I feel more comfortable with doing is bringing it up over like that, and then we're bringing it down and up. And as you can tell, my elbows are pointed up and I'm coming up and down, okay? So do about 6 of those and then we'll alternate to the other hand. Okay, ready? Bringing it down and up. 1, breathe, down and up. 2, down and up. 3, down and up. 4, down and up. 5, one more, down and up. 6, and then slowly bring that arm down. Let's do the other side. Same thing, making sure your elbows are pointed up. Try not to bring it forward. Try to keep that arm straight. Ready? Down and up. 1, down and up. 2, down and up. 3, down and up. 4, 2 more, down and up. 5, one more, down and up. 6, and slowly bring that arm down. Roll it out if you need to. If at any time you start to feel any type of pain, drop your weights, don't use any at all, or just take a break. You can also sit down, okay? Next one is arm raises to the side. So I'm just checking myself again, making sure I have that soft bend in the knees, okay? My back is straight, my arms are relaxed. Try not to tense up, relax as you're doing these movements. We're gonna bring the arms up. As I'm bringing them up, they're just coming up to my shoulders, just like a T. And then I'm bringing it slowly back down, okay? So we're gonna do about 6 of those. Remember, slow and steady. Control those movements. All right, here we go. Ready? Up and down. 1. And as you're coming up, breathe. Inhale, up and down. 2. Up and down. 3. Up and slowly bring it down. 4. Up and down. 5, one more, up and down. 6, good, and shake it out. All right, remember, as you're doing it, control those movements, okay? The next one we're doing is front raises. So the same concept, but we're bringing it up to the front. Same thing, nothing past your shoulders. We don't want you to hyperextend or hurt yourself. So we're bringing my arms to the side, and I'm slowly just bringing it up to the shoulders and then coming back down, okay? And as I'm coming up, I'm breathing in, so I'm inhaling in, and I'm exhaling out, okay? Up and down, that's 3. So do 3 more, up and down, 4, up and down, 5, 1 more, up and down, 6, good. Roll it out if you need, shake it out. All right, the next one we're doing is overhead presses. So we're bringing those arms up. So you can always imagine, kind of like a cactus or a field goal. We're keeping that 90-degree angle. If it's too hard to hold it up, bring it lower, that's okay too. But remember, we're extending up and over, and then bringing it back to that position, okay? Remember, soft knees, back straight. We'll do about 6. As I'm coming up, I'm inhaling up, exhaling as I come down, okay? So let's go up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, up and back down. 6, slowly bring those arms back down, roll it out. And like I always say, if you start to feel any pain, please take a break, drop your weights. All right, this last one for upper body is our seated crunches. So I'm gonna grab that chair, okay? I wanna sit down. So if you want, you can sit all the way back, but if you feel that you have more of that core balance, you can come up a little bit closer. But we're gonna be working on the core, squeezing that core, engaging those muscles. If you want, you can have your weights in your hand or you can drop them, it's up to you. I like to cross, just so it's a little bit easier for me. And we're slowly just slight bent over, and then we're slowly exhaling, coming back down. As I'm coming up, I'm inhaling in, and then I'm exhaling as I come down. Okay, inhaling in, exhaling out. So that's 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, up and down. 6, we'll do 2 more, up and down. 7, up and down and back to the center. Very good. Okay, let's take a deep breath in and out. All right, let's drop our weights, and then if you have those ankle weights, you can put them on. So the next thing we're doing is lower body. So if you do have these type of weights, these are what we usually use at the center. If you don't, that's okay. You can just do them without the weights. But the way you put them on is there's a Velcro here. You put them on your ankles and you just secure them with the Velcro. So they look kind of like that. They're ankle weights that you can use during these exercises. So the first one we're going to do is, I'm going to bring my chair over. Remember, make sure to have that chair so that you have that support. I'm going to kind of show you at an angle what to do. We're just bringing that leg back, kind of like when we did our single leg stance. We're just going to make sure you're balanced. Okay, and we're just going to bring that leg back, engaging the muscle, and then bringing it down. Okay, if you feel comfortable, you can use it without the chair. Some people do that, but if you feel a little bit off balance, I recommend using the chair. All right, we'll do maybe about 8 count. Okay, so we're going to bring it back and down. That's 1, back and down. 2, back and down. 3, back and down. 4, back and down. 5, remember, keep that back straight as well. Back and down. 6, 2 more, back and down. 7, back and down. 8, and then just shake it out. All right, I'm going to show you on this side. Same thing on the other side. Remember, making sure that back is straight, use that chair for support. Ready? Back and down. 1, back and down. 2, back and down. 3, and as I'm coming up, I'm flexing and then relaxing. 4, back and down. 5, back and down. 6, 2 more, back and down. 7, and back and down. 8. Good. Shake it out if you need to. All right. The next one we're doing, I'm going to show you at an angle so you kind of see, and Sarah's also doing the adapted version. We're going to bring that leg forward up at a 90-degree angle, and we're extending it out. So we're bringing it out and in. If it's too much to hold it up, my knees are not coming all the way up, it's just at a 90-degree angle, bring it down lower. That's okay too, okay? But try to control that leg. I know sometimes gravity wants it to come back down, but try to control it, okay? We'll do about 6 of these, okay? Ready? We're extending out and in. 1, breathe. Try not to hold your breath. Out and in. 2, out and in. 3, out and in. 4, out and in. 5, 1 more, out and in. 6, and then slowly bring it down, shake it out. All right, let's do the other side. All right, same thing. Make sure you feel balance first. Okay, bringing that leg up, and we're extending out. And as you can tell, I'm using the chair for support. Bring it back in. 1, bring it out and in. 2, out and in. 3, out and in. 4, out and in. 5, 1 more, out and in. 6, and then slowly bring it down. Shake it out if you need to. All right, the next one we're doing is our leg lifts. So whichever leg you want to start with, we're just bringing that foot forward, and it's going to be straight. So side view. It's just going to look just like that, and we're just lifting up. Slight angle, nothing high. We're not kicking up like the Rockettes. We're going up and down, okay? All right, let's do about 6 to 8, depending on how you feel, okay? And remember, control. Bring it up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, breathe. Remember, don't hold your breath. Up and down. 5, up and down. 6, let's do 2 more. Up and down. 7, up and down. 8, good, shake it out. All right, let's do the other side. Same thing, okay? Keeping that back straight. Let's bring it out just a little bit. We're extending out a little bit, and we're lifting up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, up and down. 6, let's do 2 more. Up and down. 7, up and down. 8, good, shake it out. All right, since we went forward, we have to go back. We don't have to, but it's good. We're working on lower body, glutes, all right? So I'm using my chair. Please use your chair for that support. We're bringing the leg out, kind of like a ballerina, okay? And we're just lifting up and coming back down, okay? Keep that back straight. If you feel like you're going forward, readjust yourself, all right? Let's do about 6. Ready? Bring it up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, breathe, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, last one, up and down. 6, and then shake it out. All right, let's do the other side. All right, remember, keeping that back straight, try not to lean forward. Ready, bringing that leg out, and bring it up and down. 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. 5, one more, up and down. 6, shake it out. All right, we're almost there. The next one is our side leg raises. So if you want, you can use your chair for that support, but we're just bringing the leg up and over slightly, okay? Don't overextend, and if it hurts, go ahead and sit down or just take a break, okay? And if anytime you need to, grab some water. You can always take a break whenever you need to. All right, so remember, keeping that back straight, and we're just extending out to the side. So we're bringing it out and in, okay? Out and in. And as you see, as I'm coming up, I'm controlling it coming down, okay? Inhaling up and down. That's 4, up and down. 5, up and down. 6, shake it out. All right, let's do the other leg. All right, ready? Remember, we're just extending out and in. 1, out and in. 2, try to control it. Out and in. 3, out and in. 4, 2 more, out and in. 5, out and in. 6. All right, shake it out. Last one for lower body is our toe stands. So I'm going to show you. You can either stand behind your chair or you can stand next to it. If you feel like you have that great balance, you don't have to use a chair at all. But I always like to use it just in case. So we're just standing up on our toes. We're working on our calf muscles. So we're just coming up and slowly controlling it back down. We'll do about 10. At 10 count, we're going to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds, okay? So let's count. This is going to be number 2. We're going up and down. 2. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3. Up, hold, and down. 4. Up and down. 5. Try to keep those ankles straight. Up and down. 6. Up and down. 7, up and down. 8, 2 more, up and down. 9, last one, we're going to hold it up and hold. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back, shake it out. All right, grab some water, take the weights off if you have it, and we're just going to go in a quick stretch for you. Everyone, let's take 3 deep breaths in. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in, hold it up, and slowly bring it down to the back and just stretch it out. Good. All right. Let's just kind of sway, feel the beat. Good. All right. Let's just breathe. All right, we're going to do our necks. We're going to stretch our neck. So just bring the hand onto the head and then just slight stretch. Other side. Good. All right, we're just going to slowly bring it down, work on the shoulders. Slowly rotating them back. Good. Breathe. Try to take a deep breath in if you can. and go forward. All right, let's bring that arm up. Bring it back. You can bring it forward and you can hold it if you want. And slowly bring it back. See if you can touch your hands. Looks just like that. If not, it's okay. Release, other arm. Bring it back, hold it, feel that stretch, and bring it back. Good. Now we're gonna bring the arms up, clasping them, and bring it behind our head, opening up the chest. Take a deep breath in, and out. Let's do one more. Arms up, hands up into the middle. Deep breath in. Bring it down if you can. Getting that flexibility in the wrists. Bring it back up. Then move. Try to move just the hands and the fingers. Okay, and then we'll pulse it out. Good. And then just shake it out. Good. All right, let's go down to the legs. We're stretching out. Okay, bring it out. Over. Just stretching in the back. And then this leg's gonna go straight. Touch your toe. Good. Other side. Okay. Making sure you keep that back straight. Okay. Front leg's gonna go straight. Touch the toe. Good. Bring it up. We'll just bring it a little bit wider. We're just gonna roll. So we'll bring down and roll. And up. As you're coming up, inhale in. Good. Bring it up. And then just shake it out. And we'll just do a little bit of ankle rotation. So we're just gonna bring it up and roll it. Good. All right, other side. And if you want, you can use your chair too. Chair is here. Good. All right, shake it out. 3 deep breaths and we're done. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. This one, hold it a little bit longer. Deep breath in, hold it, and bring it down. Good job, everyone. Thank you again for coming to our exercise.